Number 9 is a great question. I think I mentioned to you guys that a lot of the math that you did before you came to calculus was to prepare you for calculus. And a lot of that is just the simplification of different things. So you could attack this the way it is, but you would have to do a chain rule and a quotient rule all in one question. So you can, and you'll still get the right answer, but that's going to be much more difficult than if you simplify this first. So can anybody tell me what I'm hinting at? Yeah. Yeah, we're going to use the division rule in logs. So instead, I can say that's the same thing as the derivative of natural log e to the x minus the natural log of e to the x minus 1. That makes life a lot easier for us. So let's see what happens when I take those derivatives. Now I only have chain rules to deal with, right? So only chain rule, and I don't have to do the quotient rule. So this will be 1 over e to the x times the derivative of e to the x, which is e to the x, minus 1 over e to the x minus 1, and the derivative of e to the x minus 1, e to the x. So this here would be gone. So I'm ending up with 1 minus e to the x over e to the x minus 1. And I'm sure, yeah, it looks like they would simplify that. All we got to do is make common denominator to simplify. So e to the x minus 1 minus e to the x over e to the x minus 1. And sorry if I rushed that. What I did, I went e to the x minus 1 over e to the x minus 1. Okay. So this part here means I'll be able to cut out the e to the x's, and I would have negative 1 over e to the x minus 1. And that does appear as one of the answers, which is C.